The truth of real estate. Why is condition important? The importance of truly understanding the condition of a real estate. To be able to justify the amount paid versus value gained. Condition affects the valuation of a real estate, especially when it is not a brand new real estate. The age of a real estate plays a significant role in determining its condition. Typically, brand new real estate have minimal condition issues that needs to be addressed. Therefore, determining the completion date of a real estate is crucial in assessing its condition. In terms of amount paid, there is a measure on how much is paid per square feet. It is used to calculate the cost of renovation or furnishing spent on a per square feet basis. This allows us to compare and better budget the total cost of furnishing and repair needed for the real estate. This measure generally falls within the 10 to 20% range of the total real estate price. For example, to fully furnish a $500,000 brand new real estate, typically between $50,000 to $100,000 is spent. Of course, it is also based on the current situation and one's budget. Just make sure it's practical and can be justified. To measure the condition of a real estate, imagine a scale from 0 to 10. 0 equals the worst, 10 equals the best, 0 equals it's haunted, empty, leaking pipes, overgrown plants. 5 equals empty unit with no functional issues. 10 equals world-class hotel, just bring your belongings and move in.